Hello my dear VLSI aspirants. Welcome to Deep Silicon VLSI YouTube channel. Let's have another design challenge. This is the design and we want to find out the minimized output expression. Why? What is the Boolean expression? Guys, here, hope you know, all are NAND gates only. These are one input NAND gates in the same, simply you can say it is a NOT gate. Please don't think it is some other gate. It is a NAND gate only, and where two inputs are from the same P only. Okay, now let's see. Guys, here instead of going towards the output of the every logic gate, getting it and again doing NAND operation and all, for a 1 second you just wait and have a good breathe, and then you see this. Guys, here, this whatever you are seeing, this is simply a OR gate using NAND gates. This is a OR gate only, isn't it? Yes. Therefore, the output is here P plus Q. If you go in detail, this is P bar, Q bar, P bar into Q bar, whole bar. You will get P bar whole bar plus Q bar whole bar, P plus Q only. Similarly, you take this. This is also same. That is R bar, this is plus Q bar. Means simply you can say R plus Q, because it is a OR gate only. Right? Now, here again we have a NOT gate. This is P plus Q whole bar. This one R plus Q whole bar. Now, here the final expression output Y. Coming to this, here it is a NAND gate only. Therefore, P plus Q whole bar into R plus Q, R plus S. Oh, sorry guys, this is S. This one. So that here R plus S whole bar. Again whole bar. Then it could be like P plus Q bar whole bar plus R plus S bar whole bar. Then it can be written as P plus Q plus R plus S. Hence guys, for this given design, which is in only in terms of NAND gates, the output simplified expression is here it is P plus Q plus R plus S. Simply it is like logical addition of every input. There's a P plus Q plus R plus S. Okay guys, if you are first time visiting our YouTube channel, Deep Silicon VLSI, please subscribe and extend your support. Right? See you in the next video. This is Theorem signing off. Jai Hind.